Good evening, hello YouTube family. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to see gold trading strategy for beginners. Beginners gold trading strategy, which is very easy for you. Yes, if it's the first time you are here, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Turn on the bell so that when we upload the video, you'll be notified. Turn on the bell, please, so that you'll be notified. Yes, gold trading strategy. First of all, when you are a beginner as a forex trader, your mentor told you that you should always trade according to the trend. Gold have been in uptrend. It have been uptrending, and this is a monthly time frame. The easy strategy for you, the first of all, is to know that is it an uptrend or downtrend. The second secret is that you should trade um, in a lower time frame, but after you do analysis at least in the daily and 4 hours time frame. Yes, in 1 hour, in 15 minute or 30-minute time frame is a recommended time frame to trade to when you are a beginner as a forex trader. So this video is about forex trading strategy for beginners, especially on gold. For example, this is a monthly time frame. The monthly time frame, you can see that it's going up crazy, and because also we are in uptrend, right? And then you will remove and you move to weekly time frame and do analysis. In a weekly time frame, if you can check it very well, the last candle here, this candle showed the touch a day. So the candle went there and the touch. You can see wait, I must move my one. Let's move this one. So you can see that the candle moved and they reach there, right? So that is what we call the area of resistance of the market. Then the second candle went up. You see this one, it went up and it touched day. It went up and it touched day. Then it's created also the area, because once it reached there, it squeezed a little bit, right? This is a weekly time frame. So for now, we are doing analysis in a weekly time frame. We are expecting gold to come and retest back the support, because if the gold came and touched there once, and it came there and that candle, the chain didn't break it, then we were expecting this candle, the third one, to come and touch it and then come back, but it didn't. But it doesn't matter, because now it can squeeze and come back to the area, and it drop down today, right? Because here you can see that we have the strongest support. When the market is up, when it comes to retest, it creates a support for it. So this is a weekly time frame. After checking this, you will go and move to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, you will also do analysis the same thing. This candle which you created here has no wick. It has no wick. Whenever you see the candle which doesn't have a wick, it means the continuation of the market, right? And also you can be helped by these indicators. These indicators, they call them double envelopes. We will learn to use it in a few minutes. Please stay around and watch the video till the end. So for gold, as a beginner forex trader, you should always know that the trade is in uptrend, and also you should learn the candlestick patterns, and also you should learn at least a relative strength index indicator and the double envelope indicator. Please, if you are a subscriber to this channel and you click join as a member of the channel, please remember to turn on the notification bell, because if you join the membership, then I will share the signals on membership posts on YouTube, so you get a notification so that you can take the trade with me. Last time I shared the trade, but I saw that people who did join the membership, they didn't turn on the notification bell, so they didn't see my post. I just deleted it. So let's go. So now God created this multiple candle track. In order for you to trade again, where you should also learn these candlestick patterns. For example, here you can see the candlestick patterns. They are a lot and very choppy. And what you check here, you will check are they, even if they are choppy, you will check where the wicks are. The wicks are these small lines without bodies, these small sticks without bodies. That's what we call the wick, right? And then you after check this, they are a lot, but where do they reject? If you are watching the video right now, it's time of the God is showing you the cell signal. So now you can see that here they rejected at top. It is a 4 hours time frame. It means it's a huge money to make here. When they reject at the top, meaning the wicks at the top, if you learn very well about candlestick pattern, then you will make a money by selling gold. So gold will sell only when it comes to the test, because remember we did check in a weekly time frame that there is an area to test. This is the candle went ahead and passed this zone where the last candle, or this should did this dodgy with this hit or hammer. Then we are waiting for this candle to come and retest the zone, which is 27.85. After retesting 27.85, it may decide whether to go up or to continue down. The another retesting zone is 27.46. That is retesting zone again, right? Then you know this, then you move to 1 hour time frame. To 1 hour time frame, you will get the exact entry of your trade. The exact entry of our trade, you can see that this is a bearish angle for this candle. When you learn about the candlestick patterns, the relative strength index, and these double envelopes, you don't need a moving average. You don't need it. You can either put the moving average. I can put it when I feel like, but it's okay even if I don't use a moving average. So look at here. You look at it. You can see we have a bearish engulfing. We had a lot of choppy candles which are doing consolidation. What you should see, the longer wicks are on which side? Are they on the bottom side? The longer wicks are they on top side? So for us to make money, in order for us to make money, we check all this because we are forex traders and we want to make money. As a beginner forex trader, after you know that the rejection is above, then you could have these strong bearish engulfing candles. Then you will see that the money is sitting here for you to trade. Right. For you to take the trade, you can even just take when the candle is coming to retest the zone, because the market of gold will come to retest, and even other markets as well, even the cryptocurrencies. Once it went to retest, you can see that the retesting zone was 27.96, and then we took the trade by 27.96. So the stop loss is just here by 28.01. That will be the stop loss. Once the market is coming to retest, it can retest this zone by 27.78, as we saw in the weekly and the monthly time frame. You can see it's still the same zone, because when you reach here, you can see that there are some red, bearish and bullish candles. This can be the first support of the market. So for today, we are Friday. If you want to scalp the trade, you can just take the trade and then put the take profit here, and then when the trade is around 27.88, you put your stop loss by the entry, then you make money. We are here to make money as a beginner forex trader as well. If you want to take the trade as a scalp, you will move to for example, in 1 hour time frame, you will see that to take the trade so that you can make money, it's like it's not showing the really entry or proper entry. You will keep moving to lower time frame for you to see exactly where the money lays, or if you are ready to invest your money. Yes, this is an investment, and once you know forex trading, you are an investor, right? So now the trade, let's see the confirmation here. Let's see the confirmation here. So the confirmation is when this candle ends. But if you can check it, there you can see this candle around here, this one. Let's use the pencil. You can see this candle here, and you can see this candle, that candle, that candle, and you can see this top. So this one also, it can give us the head and the shoulder indication. This is a beautiful money to make. This is a money, guys. This is a money, and the first take profit to this is 27.78. That will be our first take profit. This is money to make. Don't miss this money, guys. All right, so let's move. Now the 30-minute time frame is indicated the head and the shoulder. Then you move to 15-minute time frame. Yes, the 15-minute time for you to trade when you are using a mobile trade, you can squeeze the market a little bit like this. You can see when I squeeze the market a little bit, you can see that to confirm here, you see this candle. Once this candle, we are by 45 minutes, because it's 80 minutes to go. They want this candle finish. Once it end here, it will be the first entry ever. And then you can take the profit by this 27.78, but here by 27.79 as well, because by here there is a moving average. There is also the moving average around this zone for you to take the profit or the money there. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share. Share the signal as well. Share the video so that other people also can see that it's time to make money. The other retesting zone of take profit is by 27.65, 27.65. So yes, so this is a money to make. Even though we are Friday, to scalp this trade will be the best thing, because we am ready to make money, and this is the money that will make today. So I took the trade now, so kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's make money together. And also, yes, I have a WhatsApp group for people to join. I'm trying to put the people who did pay the membership on that group. Please, if you are here and you join the membership, check the link in a community post so that you can join the link if you did pay the membership. If you want to join a free Telegram group, I'll also check the link in the description of free Telegram group. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe.